Ladies, I'm just doing a quick video. I'm in bed and I'm really not very well. I've got man flu. I'm absolutely dying. But the postman, how rude, has just banged on my door and I've got a parcel. So I've just quickly opened it because I wasn't sure where it was, because I'm due some bits and bobs that I've ordered from China. And it's a gift that's somebody sent me. I've just seen the letter and it's from Melissa Gibson, bless her. Thank you, Mel. First of all, for making me get out of bed. I didn't even take Alexia to school this morning. Her dad had to come home from work and take her. And I've not looked properly yet, but it says here, just thought this would help you with your scrapbook making. I have also sent you the first one I ever made. How nice is that? And a year one for your new granddaughter. Scan picture first curl, first two. Oh, that is really thoughtful. Oh, how nice is that of somebody? Oh, look what she's done as well. I've been wittering about mini albums on YouTube because I just want one, right? I've entered a challenge, Irene from Seriously Scrapping, to try and win one, because I've tried to make them and I'm rubbish. And look what she sent me. She sent me this all folded to show me how to do it. Look. Thank you. Look, and like templates she sent me. Do you know what? That is so thoughtful. And I will have a right good look at these. That is such a thoughtful thing for you to do, Melissa. Thank you, and that will help me. Because sometimes I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, dearie me. You don't want to get close to me. I've got lurgy. Sometimes you can look, can't you, at tutorials and just not get it, and I am very much a visual learner. Sorry. So thank you, Melissa. That is just brilliant. Thank you. Oh, how thoughtful are people, honestly. And look what she's... Let me just... I can't see now because now my eyes are running. Oh, dear. That's Daniel and Damien, by the way. Say hello, Daniel and Damien. They're my twin boys. They're my boys that I never got, because we've got 5 girls between us, me and my husband. So they're my boys. Oh, well, blooming it. Let me try and put my glasses back on. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. Thank you. Oh, I've got this paper. It's cupcake. Oh, wow. With all the little envelopes. Oh, wow, you're clever. Right, well, I've got one as inspiration now. I've got no excuse, have I? Oh, Melissa, thank you, darling. That is so kind of you. And it ties together. Oh, wow. Oh. I'll have a right good look at how you've done that now. Thank you. Ah, that's brilliant. I'm sorry if I'm snivelling. My husband goes mad. Oh, look at this that she sent me. So this is the first one you ever made. How kind of you to send it me. Where's my tissue? Oh, I don't even know. It'll be in bed somewhere. Oh, dear. Look at that lovely flower. A lovely paper. Oh, thank you, Melissa. That's so pretty. Wow, look at that. Oh, yeah, that's clever, isn't it? Oh my goodness me, this is stunning. Oh, it's got loads of little tags. I can't believe this is the first one you ever did. Mine's in the bin. The first one I ever did. I never got past doing the binding. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is brilliant. Look at all of that. You're clever, you are, Mrs. I'm not going to pull everything out because I've only got one hand. I'm going to have I'll have a right good rummage at this and see how you've put it together. Because I really do want to make one. Oh, wow. These are just, look at them tags with the little flowers on, and she's used the, how clever's that? And then these to hold them. You're cool. Oh, I know I've said it, but you are very talented, Mrs. Look at these. Whoa. Oh yeah, I can make them. I know how to make them. Oh, she's made that with teardrop pearls. I bet she's made that. Look at that. How cute is that? I can't believe you've sent me your very first one. And would you not want to keep it for yourself? Oh, I can't believe how good this is. It's amazing. When I'm better, I'm going to go and I'm going to see how you've done it. And I'm going to make one. And I might send you my first one. Oh, wow. And all these lovely tags. Oh, blimey. So what have you used there then? Like chipboard? I need to get some chipboard because I tried using cereal boxes and it were just a bit pants. Although maybe if I doubled it up. That is really, really lovely. I love it. It's great. Thank you, Melissa. Oh, that's really cheered me up, that. I really, really like it. Right, ladies, if you're not a subby to Melissa Gibson, go on over and give her a sub. She hasn't got loads of videos up. I think she must be quite new to doing videos, but she's very talented. She's a big follower of Fiona's tutorials. That's where I found her, through Fiona and also Karen McClure. And I looked through her videos and the stuff that she makes are just amazing. Her flowers, she's done a load of those. You know them, when Fiona did the cinema flowers, the Carla lilies, she's done those. She's done like about 1 million of them, and they're stunning. Really, really good. So go over and give Melissa a sub. I'm not doing my crafter of the week today because I'm just too ill. So we'll have Melissa crafter of the week. Look, she's even got something to look at that she's made. She hasn't got loads of subbies. I do think she's quite new, and she's a lovely lady. I mean, to do this for me, you know, after listening to me being silly and whinging about how I needed a mini album, and bless her, she sent me templates to show me how to do it. That is just brilliant. And then a lovely little one for my granddaughter. How thoughtful is that? I'm really bowled over by that. Thank you, Melissa. So yeah, Melissa Gibson. Sorry, I'm sorry. Go over and give her a sub. She's a lovely girl. Really talented. And very, very kind. She sent, I know she sent Karen a beautiful rack. And it really, really made Karen's day. That is just, it's just lovely. Thank you. Thank you, Melissa. That's really cheered me up. I can't even craft today because my glue gun has blown up. But my friend Karen has very kindly given me a suggestion of where to go and get one for quite cheap. So I've ordered one off eBay, even though I'm absolutely broke, but I can't cope without a glue gun. So, right, that's really cheered me up, but I think I've got about another hour before I have to go and get Alexia, so I'm off back to bed. I've got my laptop outside of me. I've been watching a bit of YouTube, but I've done no crafting today. So thank you, Melissa. That's really brightened my day up. Absolutely sweet of you, and I will be having a right good look, like I say, at your templates and how you've made this, and I will have another go now. You've re-inspired me. I'll get off my bum and I'll go and make one. Thank you, Melissa, you're a darling. Everybody go and sub to her. Make up for missing crafter of the week. Right, ladies, thanks for watching. I hope I haven't spread my germs on you. Bye for now, I'll see you soon.